Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share the latest news and insights on technology and software development. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a new product from Microsoft that promises to revolutionize the way we code, Copilot Pro. Copilot Pro is an extension of Copilot, a tool that uses artificial intelligence to suggest code snippets as you type. Copilot was launched in 2023 as a collaboration between Microsoft and GitHub, and it quickly became a popular tool among developers of all levels and languages. But Copilot Pro takes it to the next level. It is not just a code suggestion tool, it is a code generation tool. Copilot Pro can write entire functions, classes, and even applications for you, based on your specifications and preferences. It can also refactor, optimize, and test your code, saving you time and effort. Copilot Pro is powered by a massive neural network that has been trained on billions of lines of code from GitHub and other sources. It can learn from your own code and style, and adapt to your needs and preferences. It can also handle complex tasks such as natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. Copilot Pro is designed to be a partner, not a replacement, for human developers. It can help you with tedious and repetitive tasks, and inspire you with new ideas and solutions. It can also help you learn new skills and technologies, as it can explain how and why it generated the code for you. Copilot Pro is available for both individuals and businesses, with different plans and features to suit your needs. You can try it for free for 14 days, and see how it can transform your coding experience. To learn more about Copilot Pro is a new subscription that brings Copilot AI capabilities to Microsoft 365 apps, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote. To use Copilot Pro in Microsoft 365, you need to have a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription, and a Copilot Pro subscription. You also need to install the Copilot Pro add-in for Microsoft 365 apps from the Microsoft Store. Once you have the Copilot Pro add-in installed, you can access Copilot in any of the supported Microsoft 365 apps by clicking on the Copilot icon in the ribbon. You can then type or speak your request to Copilot, and it will generate code, text, images, or other content for you. You can also edit, refine, or delete the Copilot output as you wish. For more information on how to use Copilot Pro in Microsoft 365, you can check out this video or this article. You can also visit the Copilot Pro website Superscript1 to learn more about the features and benefits of Copilot Pro. I hope this helps.